This video was taken 2 days before the storm, and then this clip was a day before the storm. You can tell the difference. This was today at 5 o'clock, rain, and then after 6, 7, started to ice. Ya para las 8:15, started to sleet, rain and sleet. It looks so beautiful. Like, this video was taken like maybe 10, 15 minutes ago, but look at this view. I love the background. I love how white it looks everywhere. It's just magical to me. Didn't feel slippery or anything, but I don't know. But look at the background. And then I made some caldo de pollo, and it was bomb as heck. We'll be making caldo de res tomorrow morning, but thank you for watching, and y'all have a good night.